What's the cost of confusion in your company? Every unanswered question, every repeated explanation, every frustrated customer, it all adds up. Imagine this. A basketball team loses game after game. The players are talented. The coach has a vision. But there's a problem. They don't have a playbook. Everyone is guessing their next move. No structure, no strategy, no way to improve. Now, think about your customer support team. They face the same challenge. If your knowledge base is outdated, hard to search, or just incomplete, your agents are left guessing. That means more escalations, slower resolutions, frustrated customers. Just like a losing team, they struggle to keep up. But when a coach builds the right playbook, everything changes. The team runs like a machine. Players know their roles, adapt to challenges, and work together. Your knowledge base should do the same. With the right structure, your agents can find answers instantly. AI-powered responses reduce repetitive tickets, and your experts focus on solving real problems, not searching for solutions. At eCore, we help fast-growing companies turn their support team into a competitive advantage. Our product support services provide AI-powered L1 support and expert-led L2, L3 services that improve customer satisfaction and reduce unnecessary escalations. We work as an extension of your team, seamlessly integrating into your operations and helping you scale without losing quality. Want to turn your knowledge base into a game-winning playbook? We've put together a free content kit to help you build a knowledge base that works, so you can avoid unnecessary escalations and improve support efficiency. Download it now and start optimizing your support operations today.